Investing might seem out of reach if you don't have a lot of money to start with, but the truth is, you don't need thousands of dollars to begin building wealth. The key is starting small, staying consistent, and focusing on long-term growth. One of the easiest ways to begin investing with little money is through low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds (ETFs). These funds allow you to invest in a broad range of companies, providing instant diversification without the need to pick individual stocks. Most brokerages offer the option to invest with as little as $50 or $100, making them perfect for new investors. Another powerful option is a robo-advisor. These automated platforms can help you build a portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance without requiring a large initial investment. Robo-advisors typically have low fees, and some even offer no minimum deposit requirements, which makes them accessible for anyone looking to invest with small amounts of money. These platforms also offer automatic rebalancing, so your portfolio stays in line with your investment strategy as the market fluctuates. If you're comfortable with more risk and want to potentially see higher returns, you can also consider investing in individual stocks. While it's riskier than index funds, investing in stocks gives you the opportunity to potentially outperform the market. The key here is to research thoroughly and only invest in companies you believe in for the long term. Another great way to start small is through fractional shares, which allow you to purchase a portion of a stock for a fraction of its price. This is especially helpful when investing in high-priced stocks like Amazon or Tesla. The most important factor when investing with little money is consistency. Contribute small amounts regularly, and over time, those contributions will compound and grow. Set up automatic transfers to your investment account each month, even if it's just $20 or $50. The power of compound interest works best when you invest consistently and let your money grow over the long term. Remember, it's not about how much you start with, it's about getting started and building the habit of investing.